Pag-usapan natin yung mga life lessons na nakuha natin from Rufa May Quinto. Anong takeaway natin doon? Kasi 'di ba, eto nga nag-surrender siya voluntarily sa NBI after ng arrest of warrant niya. Okay, for comedian over an alleged investment scam. At during interview, ito yung mga sinasabi niya at nag-viral. Ito.
Dapat naka-Rufa voice, ha?
Oo.
Sige nga.
Paano nga?
Guys,
biktima din po tayo. Ano ba yung nakakainis
parang pa
yun?
Tuesday na yun.
Hindi ko magawa. Aminin ko na lang. Oo, baka si Sean na lang.
Guys, biktima din po tayo. Kaya lahat haharapin.
Parang iba na rin.
Paiba na rin?
Oo, paiba na rin.
Go, go, go! Basta hinaharap.
May isa pa akong gusto sa kanya, eh.
Yung nagne-go-go-go show.
Ako po ay isang komedyante, hindi po ako negosyante. Kaya kahit kailan, hindi po ako nagne-go-go-go show.
Tsaka yung sabi niya,
go-go-go home.
Help hooray.
Sabi niya, I want justice for all mankind and I am kind.
Oo.
Diba?
Diba?
Di ginaya.
As in, branding na branding ang comedian. Oh, I love it talaga through ups and downs. Very committed.
Stay who you are.
Yes. Go, go, go!
Tsaka kung paano niya lang din hinarap, it's kind of big.
Yeah.
Like, kung ikaw kinasuhan ka ng ganun, it's kind of big case.
Here's my takeaway from that, okay? Kumbaga, always think of what you're getting into, like over and over again.
Mhm.
Kasi, yun na nga, parang sometimes kasi hindi mo naman talaga ginawa yung isang bagay, but then may mga nagsasabi na ganyan yung ginawa mo. Kumbaga, parang, alam mo yun,
Hindi.
just know what you're getting into, pretty much. Yun.
I think it's, if you're getting into a contract of any
Yes.
kind,
Read
read it through.
Understand.
Or if you can
alamin
have
mo
a
lang.
lawyer read it through for you, have that done. Kasi you really don't know. Yun pala, like nag-endorse ka lang ng certain business or product and hindi mo alam kung ano kung may illegal practices na ginagawa yung business na yon. Tapos hindi mo
Nasangkot
binasa yung
ka.
contract. Yun pala, if they sue that business, kasama ka rin. You don't know.
Yes.
So,
exactly.
yeah.
But
Contracts are legit, bro.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, para sa akin, yung takeaway na yun, medyo, okay, medyo obvious naman yun na dapat talaga basahin yung mga ganyan. Pero para sa akin, yung takeaway ko dyan is kung paano niya inabsorb kung paano yung energy niya. Harapin yung ganong klaseng
Took the
problema.
punches, bro.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Para sa akin, like, kakaiba ka kapag kaya mo gawin yung ganon na parang alam mo yun, kahit nasa ilalim ka na, sinusubukan mo pa ding
That's true.
Tsaka the
Diba?
fact na may case siya, pero nag-viral siya sa kung anong sinabi niya tungkol sa case, hindi the fact na may case siya. Yung nabaliktad niya ng gano'n yun.
Yeah.
Yun ang kagaling si Rufa.
Yeah. That's really true. And I guess kasi she knows naman where she stands, I guess. Or I don't know.
Yeah, if you know you didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, you don't have to be scared
Go,
or
go,
afraid.
go.
Go lang. Oo. Wag matakot maging
And
nego-go-shante.
para sa akin, wala namang masama na kunwari nagpapatawa siya, ganyan.
That's who she is. Like, Oo, walang masama dyan.
Pero I guess there's nothing, feeling ko if hindi siya yun,
Oo.
magkakaroon ng backlash na nagpatawa siya.
Yes.
Kasi para sa akin, hindi naman siya yung like yung parang naninira ng ibang tao, ganyan. It's more of kung paano niya lang hinahandle yung situation na nakakatawa.
And I don't think nagkaroon naman ng negative comments about how she reacted.
no,
Actually,
wala.
people love the energy.
Yes.
And the, vibe. So, eto.